So, which is the cleanest city or cleanest air quality city in India? And worst air quality in India? Which city would have?
I think one of the worst, as a city, small city, I think one of the worst is Ghaziabad.
Okay.
A lot of industry over there and a lot of population there and a lot of activity there. So that's, I think, one of the worst. Even Gwalior was at one point ranked. Agra, Gwalior, Ghaziabad, in तीनों में number 1 घूमता रहता है.
एक छोटा सा टाउन है जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, बार्नीहाट, बार्नीहाट, how do you pronounce it? BYRINHAT ऐसे करके कुछ.
Okay.
ऐसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट का, see that's the one. Can you see it? बिरनीहाट ये
Okay.
नॉर्थ ईस्ट में एक बॉर्डर पे there's this town. वहाँ पे सिर्फ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा सीमेंट, कोल, मार्बल सब होता है. इट्स द मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड वहाँ पे किसी ने ना एक बहुत वायरल पोस्ट था जहाँ पे लिविंग इन द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड सिटी विथ इन इंडिया.
अच्छा.
एंड उधर किसी ने कुछ फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स उगाने की कोशिश करी. नॉर्मल वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे उगते हैं. चेक, दिस इज कैबेज.
Wow.
किसी ने उगाने की कोशिश करी कैबेज, तो दिस इज
Yeah, so there's the economic impact of air pollution is tremendous. Not only on the health of people, but air pollution causes lower yields on our entire crop in India. Now, imagine if you start calculating the economic impact of that, it comes in close over $100 billion is the economic impact on one of those issues. On health, it's $87 billion. On tax, if in Delhi there's a statistic which says that people live 9 years less on average in the city of Delhi because of air pollution. 9 years of life is lost. So 9 years of life from a consumption perspective and from a direct and indirect tax perspective, what is that cost to the exchequer?
So I was